What's up, guys? I'm back on YouTube, and now I have Tisha here. And so this is my girlfriend. Yeah, we're going down to work at Loveburn. I've been doing that for the last 3 years now. This is gonna be my 4th year. But yeah, here she is making a charcuterie board. We have a whole bunch of new stuff in the van. I'm not gonna show you yet. That's gonna be in the next video. But right now we are cooking. What I'm gonna show you is actually behind me, and here's a little quick flash of it. But yeah, I'm not gonna show you just yet. You'll see that soon in the next video. But yeah, here we go right here. I'm making some stuff. Hey. She's all shy. Baby, you're gonna have to be a little less shy for this.
Okay, but you have to tell me what's happening.
So yeah, right now we're camping at the beach together, making all the hamburger with the onions in it, and she's making the charcuterie board. Tisha, meet Tisha, guys.
Hi guys.
So this is my girlfriend of, I guess, 6 months now. It's like, yeah, I haven't been counting, but she's been counting, of course. But yeah, the van is completed, by the way. I'm gonna be putting up a tour in a few days. I'm excited for that. I think you guys are gonna like this van. Since I made my halfway tour, there's been a lot more done to the van. And I think the new additions are, like, it basically puts it over the top, in my opinion. I don't know. I like my van.
Don't be upset. I'm putting all of the cheese I don't like on your side.
She doesn't like blue cheese, but I love blue cheese. What do you guys think?
Well, we still got it.
Yeah, like that. Yeah. Yeah, I do like blue cheese. I don't know. Comment below what your favorite cheese is, I guess. So I know I've been on, like, off of YouTube for a while, and I just want to say, first of all, sorry guys, but I know a lot of you in the comments have been asking, like, where'd you go and everything. So the thing is, I've been working festivals. I've just been, like, having fun, living life, you know. I met Tisha too, and we've just been having fun. I've been building the van, as what you see behind me and everything. I'll show you that later. There's a lot more than meets the eye to that part of it. Making some nice sauteed onions in this meat right here. But yeah, I have been doing a lot of stuff lately, and I've just been like, I purposely put YouTube aside just for a second, but I'm never going to actually, like, completely give up YouTube, because I love doing it. The stuff coming up though, I have a lot. Like, for the next 5 videos that I have coming, I have them very well planned, and I know what I'm going to be showing you guys, and I think you guys are going to love it. Like, one of the first ones coming out is the tour of this van. I think it's going to be cool. Like, I'm really excited to show off, and there's one thing in this van now that when you guys see it, you're gonna be like, what the fuck? Yeah, I don't care. I cuss on my channel. Look, she said this is too hard to cut.
It's too hard to eat too, huh?
No, it's pretty good. Look at all these. They look pretty good.
Do you think 4 olives would be enough for you?
No. What do you call me again?
Olive juice, baby.
And why do you say that?
Because remember back when we were younger and our grandparents used to say olive juice, and it means I love you.
I love you too. She just had that board right there, right? This is where the board actually goes. It was completely Tisha's idea. I wasn't actually going to put a board there, but you know, underneath here is the sink, but it's so big and everything. We routed out the sides, and there's on the bottom part, it's routed out too to fit inside of this. So it's really cool.
It's teak wood too, so it's good quality. And my future father-in-law made it for us.
We're getting married, apparently.
You're all invited.
Probably, yes.
After all, they say first comes marriage, then comes murder.
So that is what we made. And there we go. Here's mine. She always gives me more. And we are sitting here at date night. Now you can't see anything. It's pitch black on here, but that is the beach. We can see it, but you guys can on video. It's a GoPro. But yeah.
We're about to get constipated.
So if you're wondering where I met Tisha, where she came from and everything, I met her almost 3 years ago, like 2.5 years ago. And she's had her eye on me ever since, so we've been working together at festivals. And it's like, she always liked me and
secretly took care of him, made sure he was okay.
At music festivals, she would bring me food and everything, and I just wouldn't get it or something. I don't know. But she's amazing. I fucking love her.
I love you too.
She tried to get me to go to Ginny Springs at one point.
3 years ago.
Yeah, 3 years ago.
Like to the date,
Mm-hmm.
actually.
And we're going tomorrow. Some divers over there. It's like super sparse right now. There's like no one here, but it's kind of cold. But yeah, so we're gonna be here tomorrow. We're camping overnight and we're gonna dive tomorrow. So we're gonna take some walks around. So a few months ago, we decided to go on this longer trip. We're basically doing 3 months together for van life, where our goal is to go out west together. But we're starting, because we're going down, we're both working at the Loveburn. She's doing safety and I'm doing like parking. After Loveburn in Miami, which is in the, you know, the Virginia Key beach, so nice over there, we're gonna probably head back up. We're gonna do a whole bunch of springs together, kind of like where we're at right now, Ginny Springs, you know. And then after that, we're just gonna start heading west. We're gonna go through Louisiana and then onwards towards Texas and over New Mexico, Arizona, and then probably head back up the upper part of the US.
I've been to California if I have my way.
Yes, so we'll probably go over to Cali. Just do all the van life stuff, you know, like the typical stuff everyone does. But then again, it's like our typical mission is to go to all these national parks, you know. But I think I also want to do like some haunted house while I'm out here as well. That'd be really cool. Like, just gonna go to a place where they have the haunted tours, but then just me and her sleeping overnight. She'll have a camera, I'll have a camera, and yeah, have like some sort of thing where we split off and we have all these ghost hunting tools. I don't believe. So that's something that could possibly be really cool in the future, because it's like you're seeing ghost hunting from a non-believer. Here's the date night for tonight. Okay, so we're having sweet potatoes. She put some yogurt in one, and then we have butter in the rest, and then we have the steak cooked with onions, and then avocados with the salsa. And again, it's kind of dark out, but we're sitting in next to the river, next to Ginny Spring. But yeah, that's out the back. We can see it, but you cannot.
I know I told you guys that we were gonna take you diving with Ginny Springs, but we both got sick, and it's the flu, so it's like we thought we were getting better at first, but then it got pretty bad, especially me last night. But yeah, we did go to Ginny, but now we're at the Skyway in St. Pete, which is really nice, and I've been here before on my channel quite a bit. But yeah, we both got sick. I'm getting better now. Tisha might still get worse, I don't know. Time for soup. She likes making soup, so we're doing soup. We just went to the MD Oriental supermarket in St. Pete. It's like a huge Walmart-sized Oriental market. Oh yeah, we got some bok choy right here. And we're gonna cook that.
Time for lunch. Baby's making chicken fajitas.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm sick right now, so I'm getting her to talk some. Soon I'm gonna buy her a camera too, so then we're both gonna have the cameras for YouTube, and we'll put them together. Yeah, this looks pretty good. So we've made some chicken enchilada. What do you call it? Quesadillas?
Chicken fajita quesadilla.
Quesadillas. I can hardly talk right now. I'm still like my throat. I just had the flu. Me and Tisha both got the flu with this, like, I got it a little bit before and I gave it to her. Sorry, babe.
It's all right. It's a great start to our trip.
We've been sick since we started. We thought at first it was because I just polyurethane this stuff, but then I don't know, maybe something.
You don't like it like that.
And we have leftovers for later. You just put butter in there and then put the tortilla and let it, like, you know, heat up on that one side and then turn it over. It should be a little brown already, and then put the cheese in and then the chicken. We used the rotisserie chicken from like Publix and just broke it up into little bits after, you know, we were already done with it the other night.
Yeah, we made chicken noodle soup because baby didn't feel good. Mm-hmm. I'm sorry, Brian. I'll stop calling you baby on there.
Some people are gonna unsubscribe for anything, you know. Love you guys. I want to say for the rest of like our trip for the next 3 months, I am going to be coming out with lots of videos like I talked about already. And the one video in particular, it's going to be the tour of this van. It is finally complete. I want you guys to stay tuned for that. I know a lot of you have been asking about this, and I just want you guys to know I am posting more content. It will be coming very soon, like very, very soon. I might have to go through with this work first, though, like for another month, you know, but you just know it's coming.
You're watching Outdoors Embrace. Subscribe and hit the bell for future video updates. Click on this video for another video of mine. See you next time.